Good morning everyone. I Sabita Katil welcome you all to attend online classes. I hope you are fit and fine at your places. Today I will take class 9th English 1 and the topic which I am going to take is notice writing, which is of 5 marks. The first thing is that what is notice? A notice is any information which we pass to our children before organizing any event so that they should be well versed and well informed. In schools also we see different activities are held and we inform our children before holding these activities so that they should get some time to prepare it. When we draft a notice, first thing is that we make a box. We make a neat and clean, a big box. On the top of it, we give a catchy heading to it. A catchy heading, a very appealing heading, interesting heading so that the readers should read it and take part in it. Secondly, name of the event, name of the activity which is going to take place, date, on which date this activity will be held, time, at what time will it start and at what time will it be closed. Then come venue, the place where this activity will be held. Smaller place means auditorium, bigger place, name of the school and city. Then come for whom the notice is drafted, for whom this notice is drafted, actually which classes will take part in this activity. For better understanding, let's take one example. The question is here, your school is organizing an inter-school dance competition. Write a notice for your school informing about the event. The first thing I have told you, first make a box like this. Clear? On the top of it, give a catchy heading to it. The question is here, inter-school dance competition. Inter-school dance competition in which many schools will take part. So the first heading should be very catchy. Let's dance. A very catchy heading, very short, neat and clear heading. All the initials are in capital, means let's, L capital, dance, D capital. Inter-school dance competition. Here I is capital in inter, S is capital in school, D is capital in dance, C is capital in competition. Then come date, on which date this competition will be held. Today is 9, but we cannot invite the entries on 9th. We have to give names we have to give some time to our children. So take 10 days. So on 20th May 2020. Okay, the name of the month should be full and the initial should be in capital. So on 20th May 2020 from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The function will start at 10 a.m. It will end at 4 p.m. Now come here at Royals Auditorium, means name of the place. Smaller place, Royal Auditorium. Where is this Royal Auditorium? In Christ the King Convent School, Sujanpur. Bigger place. Then come here, the last paragraph is for the children who are interested in it. All the interested students from classes 6 to 10th should give their names to their respective teachers before 15th May 2020. Now children, see here the first heading, let's dance, means of the first catchy heading is of 1 mark. Second heading, the name of the competition is again of 1 mark. But the third part is a date, that is of half mark. Fourth is a time, again it is of half mark. Then come the venue, and the venue is of 1 mark, full 1 mark. The last paragraph is of 1 mark, and here we have to underline the name of the classes. There's one more example for you. See here, the Residents Welfare Association RWA of your colony is organizing a health checkup camp for the residents of the colony. Write a notice to be put up outside RWA office informing them about the event. Now beta, here you are a member of RWA, means Residents Welfare Association, and you want to open your welfare society want to organize a health checkup camp for the people of your colony. Now you have to put a notice to invite all those people who want to get themselves checked. Now but here the first topic is here a catchy heading, health is wealth. Now come here, the name of the event is given to us, health checkup camp. On which day will it be? Just take some days. You cannot keep it on the same day when you come to know. So give 10 days time, keep a 10 days time. So 20th May 2020. This camp will start from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and where will it be? It cannot be now in auditorium. It should be now at Royals Colony, Surya Apartments, New Delhi. See, Royal Colony is a smaller place. Surya Apartment, which is in New Delhi, is a bigger place. All the interested people, or it means residents, should register their names by filling forms before 15th May 2020 to the secretary. Are you clear with it, beta? I have given you 2 solve examples. It will help you a lot before drafting a notice. You all are asked to solve all the examples given in chapter 1 to 5 of Total English. Thank you and have a nice day.